Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to sign out YouTube accounts from other devices. So first thing that you're going to do is open up your YouTube app as you can see on your screen and then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. And then from here, tap on this manage your Google account. And here you just need to swipe right to find the security tab. So tap the security tab here and then scroll down until you find your devices. So as you can see, you'll find here all the devices that you're using with this YouTube account. So we just go and tap this manage all devices here. And then from here, all you need to do is choose the device that you want to sign out. For example, this second one. And then all you need to do is tap on the sign out button. And here to confirm your action here, as you can see, this will remove access to your Google account from the device. And finally, tap on the sign out button. So you can do it one by one for all the devices that connected on your YouTube account. So that's it. That's how you basically sign out on YouTube account from your devices. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.